Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 21st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. Please do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and make your own decisions. So, Tesla closed down a little bit, closed down 2.48, $2.48, down 0.4%. Post-market seems to be down 5 cents. As I mentioned on Friday, Tesla's down by $2. Okay, yes. Let's look at it from let's look at the context. The context is always important. This is why we are looking at charts. So basically, what has been happening? So we opened, nice. So look at this. We opened at 624.48. So we have a resistance at 624. We have a support at 595. So we opened above. Our resistance at 624. Went up to 631. That's pretty high. But then also we went quite low. We went as low as 608. Let's look at the hourly chart to see which came first. Did we go high and then low, or did we go low and then high? Because it makes a difference. If we went low and then high, this is better because it means that through time, it's going higher. If it's the opposite, then it means that, through time, it's going lower. So it means that it might continue going lower also. So this is the hourly chart where one candle equal 1 hour of trading. So the 930 started here. So wow. So look at this. So we opened at, as I mentioned, at 624.48. Went a little bit higher at some point during the hour, and then boom, 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 went super down. And I had not drawn. This is a new support. I'm not psychic. This support I just drew today. I drew it today, so I had not, and maybe I should not do that, and maybe I should wait until I do my videos to correct or remove the supports and trend lines I don't need and put the new ones in. So this is just a note to self. So basically we went down to 608. And this is what I drew today, but looking at it here, we see we have a low here on, let me remove myself. We have a low here on June 16th, and we have a low here, also on June 16th. And if I draw it like this, no, I think I'm going to draw it like this because I want it to touch this one here. So basically, we form a new support. We formed a new support, and after that first hour today, green, 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 green. Look at this. So this is a powerful move. Green, 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 green. So from 610 or 608 to 630 in one day. And now we are having a little bit of a pullback. The pullback is not up to the support right here. So it's a stronger pullback, and we are having a small resistance here, a very tiny resistance here. You see? No, sorry, a support. We have a tiny support here around this area. So all in all, I think it's still pretty good for Tesla. And when I draw a support like this, I sometimes like to draw the channel. So see? So if I do it this way, we have this channel here, and we were close to the top of the channel, and this is what basically made us go back down. But this channel, looks pretty clear here, and we've been going back and forth between these two lines. So basically, we are into a channel from within the hourly chart, and so Tesla can even go down to 615 tomorrow or this week, and it still might be okay because We are still within the channel at that point. So nothing scary about Tesla. It's still quite good. We made a higher high today than yesterday, and we made also a lower low, but we made a higher high. Let's go to the stochastic. Stochastic went down just a little bit because of the 608. So stochastic is at 77. Still not bad. Still not bad. MACD is inching closer to becoming positive. And well, I would say the big note of interest or the big news is that the DMI is getting closer to crossing over green. So in my opinion, and look at it yourself. Go on TradingView, look at any stock, and look at the DMI 2121, create it and put it there, and look at what happens when the DMI crosses, when the plus DI crosses over the minus DI. Let me show you just briefly because I have time today. There's not much else to talk about for Tesla. So I put the plus DI in green because plus DI means the propensity of the stock to go high is the plus DI, and the propensity of the stock to go low is the minus DI. So I put the plus DI as green, the minus DI as red, and look at any stock with the DMI 2121. Okay, let me show you the number of days. The ADX smoothing 21, DI length 21. So if you put this there, you will have exactly what I have here. So look at any stock and look at the DMI when the green line crosses over the red line, and look at that. You will see that it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So we are very close for Tesla to have the green line crossover. So from a technical analysis perspective, you know, I cannot predict the future. I don't know if all of the Tesla factories will just burn to the ground tomorrow. It's a possibility. It's not probable, but it's possible. So I don't know about those events. But based on what I see here in terms of technical analysis, we are so close for Tesla to have a nice leg up. Will it be a big leg up? I cannot tell you for sure, but I am kind of inching towards yes, because we have this big resistance here. We have this big resistance that we have been suffering from for a long time, and this here, and we can you stop drawing, please? So we have this big resistance here, and we also had this other resistance that's horizontal here. So we were effectively in a descending triangle. But what I am seeing more and more is that we have this support here, this diagonal support. So looking at this diagonal support with the with the resistance here on top, we are effectively in a isosceles or symmetrical triangle. So this is what I'm trying to say. I tend to see a bit more a symmetrical triangle than I was in the past. So basically what I'm saying is that I would not be surprised if we have a move. If we have a move very soon, that might break this resistance here. There, I said it. I said it. This is what I see. I'm going to tell you what I see. I might be totally wrong. Don't base your decision on what I'm saying. You can use it amongst other information that you are thinking about. You can use it, but I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, so all in all, interesting day for Tesla. Not bad at all. So Tesla is just inching. It's just limiting itself. It will, I think it's gonna blast soon. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I publish a Palantir and Tesla video every single day. Thank you for liking, clicking the bell, commenting. I read all of your comments. We have a Patreon account if you decide to encourage me. We have a Discord server, and we have a TradingView affiliate link if you want to save some money when you subscribe to TradingView for a paid plan. We are going to talk tomorrow. I'm going to tell you to, I'm going to wish you a great evening, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.